Dear friends, you see the same exercise 6.1. Question number 5, we are going to discuss. Figure is given already, but it is not compulsory that in examination you will get the figure. If figure is not given, you can draw the figure with the knowledge of the questions. You see in question everything is given very clearly. What is the things? What are the things given here? POQ is a line and OR perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray between OP and OR. Now, what is to prove? You have to prove ROS means what? This angle. This angle is equal to half of QOS up to here QOS minus POS. What is to prove? You have to prove this angle is equal to, means ROS is equal to half of the difference of this angle QOS and POS, means this angle and this total angle's difference is half of their difference is this one. Once again I am telling my dear students, POQ is a straight line, OR perpendicular to PQ, OS is another ray between OR and OP. What to do? You have to prove. You have to prove angle ROS, means this angle is equal to half of the difference of the angle QOS and POS. Very easy it is. You see nicely. Be attentive. You will not have any complaint. You will understand. Whenever you are going to prove any theorem or any question, you have to write something. Question, you see figure is already given. Here figure is given, so no need of writing again figure. Of course, if in the question paper figure is given, another figure again you have to draw. So figure is already given here. You will write the answer in this way. What are the things given? Here you will write given, not late. When you are using the word late, when A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, nothing is given, then only you have to suppose and you have to use the word late. Here given. What are the things given? OR, very shortcut I am writing. OR perpendicular to PQ. One more thing is given. OS is a ray. Where this ray is there? Ray between OR and OP. Is it or not? OR here and OP here. So between OR and OP, another ray is what? OS. OR and OP. You may write like that also. The ray symbol you can do. After that, what you have to do? You have to prove. First of all, you see figure. After that, given. And after that, to prove. To prove. What is to prove? Whatever is written, angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. One thing you take, if this is perpendicular, try to understand, this is perpendicular, so this angle will be 90 degree and this angle will be also 90 degree, both sides will be 90 degree because this is perpendicular to this line. That concept you should have. Now we are going to start prove. Don't be confused. This is to prove. Here you see the spelling PROVE, and here we are writing what? Prove. PROOF. Prove. Listen. Since OR perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, what happens we understand. Therefore, you can write this angle. What you can write? 90 degree. Angle ROQ is equal to ROP. Means this angle and this angle. Means this angle and this angle you see. This is suppose POQ and R. So this angle and this angle both will be what? 90 degree. Why they are equal? Because each angle will be 90 degree. Why equal? Since each angle 90 degree. Clear or not clear? This is also 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. So 90 degree and 90 degree. So this angle will be equal. Remember this thing. Now, instead of ROQ, instead of this angle, what can you write? Do you understand? Instead of this angle, you can write angle QOS. This big angle minus this angle. So we have to write angle QOS. This total angle. And minus which angle? Minus. Instead of ROQ, we are going to write angle QOS minus angle SOR. Angle SOR or ROS. Similarly, what happened? This angle is 90 degree. Means this total angle is 90 degree. This 90 degree comes how? Angle instead of writing POR, instead of total angle POR, you can write angle POS. This is small angle. This is small angle plus angle ROS. Now you do one thing. ROS you keep in one side. Let this ROS go that side. QOS minus, let this POS come this side. So angle POS. And this ROS has gone that side. This ROS. One ROS is already there. Another ROS is going that side. Angle ROS. And again one ROS is already here. You see angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to twice ROS. Now what happens? Do you understand? 2 ROS is equal to this one. So this total is coming this side and this total is going that side. So I can write here twice ROS is equal to this total is going, so no need of changing the symbol. QOS minus angle POS. Dear friends, these two should go that side. You are getting ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved. Hence proved. You see, this was to prove. So we got ROS is equal to same thing we got. My dear students, from this exercise I have done 2 questions. Rest you try yourself.